Hello guys, welcome. In this video tutorial, we will learn how to convert number into K format and vice versa. As it is shown in this example, here we have 10,000, 10K, and also 10K converts it into 10,000. I would change to 1,000. Here we have 1,000, 1K. Let us see how to do it. Write this formula, equal, round, select this cell, divided by 1,000, comma number 2, close the bracket, ampersand, type K in between quotation. As you can see here, 1,000 converts it into 1K. Let us see how to convert K format into number. Type this formula, equal, value, substitute, select this cell, comma, K between quotation, comma, double quotation, close the bracket, one more bracket, multiply by 1,000. As you can see here, K format converted into number. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video to be helpful. For more daily tips and tricks, subscribe us and don't forget to like the video.